Welcome back. In this video, we will cover how to download your OneCart SKU inventory list from your OneCart account. Let's navigate over to your inventory under View, Edit, Single SKUs. Your OneCart SKU inventory displays, and from here you can click on Download CSV to download your OneCart inventory list. Let's open that up. And here it is. All of the information from your account has been downloaded and is now shown in the spreadsheet, and your quantity on hand is shown under column F.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it, hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.